stayed at the Avanti Palms Resort and Conference Center. It was a pretty decent hotel. It is a place that I could see myself staying again. However, I would love to explore other hotels on International Drive in Orlando, Florida, and the crew was super, super sweet. Alright, so here's the tower building that I'm supposed to be in. It's super tall. It's 14 flights, or 14 floors. Catching the elevator and up the stairs. I'm on the 8th floor, so that's pretty dope. Alright, so here is the front of the hotel. This is the convention center. Off to my right. I don't know what the police is doing here, but let me put my seatbelt on before they try to. It might be one of them type of hotels, y'all. Here go the lobby area. Where we gonna pay? Oh, looks like they just pulled somebody over. We'll go in there later, but yeah, this hotel is pretty empty, so that's a good and bad thing. Here's a cafe and marketplace where breakfast, lunch, and dinner is served. However, it ain't free, so there ain't no free breakfast up here at Avanti. So I guess I got Starbucks. Cool. Over here. It looks like there's an arcade over here. Somewhere over here. Yeah. Let's go in this way. The game room. That's nice. Is that Plinko or Plinko? What? Let me see if this is open. Yes, it's open. Not Plinko. Y'all, I vowed that I was gonna play this game one day when I was a kid watching Price is Right. Yes, I love that, but how much is it? It's $1. I'm sure they take cards, but I'm probably not gonna play that right now. I'll wait till my friend gets off work and then we'll play in the, play in here a little bit, maybe. I hated that game, that was so stupid. Not really interested in news, but I heard Deal or No Deal in here, which should be awesome. Here it is. Deal or No Deal. Yeah, I wanted the casino playing this at Hard Rock Casino, but they have since took those machines out, probably because it was paying. I used to love skee ball, and then I got this at my job, so I'm straight on that. But now they got balls out right now. Let me see what I could do. Terrible. Oh, ball flat. Oh, 2 out of 3. Yay. Oh, don't leave your keys or your wallet. I never liked air hockey. Never cared for Guitar Hero. Dual drive. This is where you get your prizes. There's Guitar Hero. Alright, and a lot of people are up this morning. Yeah, here's the lobby area, which is pretty dope. And this is like the lobby bar. It's closed right now. 2 drinks, play games all night long. So they got pool tables and stuff like that. Like I said, this is closed right now, but this is pretty decent. Alright, so you have to walk over to the pool from the tower building over to the shorter buildings. It's a little bit of a walk, but it was cool still. It wasn't too bad. Just unlock. Oh shit, what did I just drop? Oh, hoverboards. Tripping. to the pool area. But I definitely want to get me some breakfast first. Not many people out here. Looks like there's a waterfall. It smells good over here, so I wonder what they got cooking in here. We got a little kiddie area. The pool isn't too large. For a resort, I expected something much bigger, but it's cool though. A lot of foliage. I think that's so cute. There's a bar over here, which is super dope. Of course, it's closed right now. They have $17 buckets. See, here's building 4 and 5 right there. Here's the main building, but I don't think any hotels are in that. There's 3. And then I'm in the tower at the top. But here's a jacuzzi or spot. I don't know what you call it, whirlpool. And the pool goes up to 6 feet 9 inches. So it's pretty decent. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna walk back over to the tower. I do have my own breakfast because I'm always prepared. I just was hoping I can get some oatmeal or something. But alright, remember what I showed you upstairs? You can pretty much come look at it down here. I don't know who would want to walk this way, but maybe you can like make a wish or something. I don't know, there's no fish. It would have been cute if there was some koi fish in there. And there's like a waterfall area. If you had a mat, which I do have a mat, I could sit down here and just meditate a little bit when everybody sleeps tonight. But I'll probably be asleep too. But yeah, this is a cute little area. It's nice. Alright, so I have no idea where anything is at. I guess this is like the outdoor lobby or whatever, but I'm looking for the fitness center. Oh, here it is over here. So it looks like they have a little Starbucks type of area in the morning. Wish I had better. And this is closed. Yeah, it's closed. It is. Oh no. No, it is closed. Like,
yes, in the morning.
I know, I'll just report it. Thank you. Alright, so here we go to fitness center. So let me see what they're working with. My card is suctioned on the back of my phone, so. Oh, I like how it smells. It smells like a brand new gym. So I need to write down what I'm working on today because me and my friend are alternating what we're working on every day at LA Fitness, but and Crunch, because sometimes I go to Crunch too. Sometimes I work out at my gym at work, but that's pretty much a dumbbell workout. Yeah, they got some decent machines in here. So yeah, I might come in here and do my workout. I might actually not go to LA Fitness tonight in Orlando. Oh, I love that thing where you can stretch. Oh, they got yeah, this is decent in here. So yeah, I'm probably gonna come back in here. It closes at 11 o'clock. So as you can see, they have plenty pieces of equipment or whatever you call it. They don't have a stair stepper, but I don't too much care for that anyway. I like the elliptical machine, which is right here. So that's probably what I'll do. Or maybe a really high incline on the treadmill. I really pretty much do like only 10 minutes and I do it as high as possible because I'm only trying to slim down so much. What I'm trying to do is get that BBL aesthetic to where my back is super big, but my waist is much smaller. So that's what I'm going for. Eventually I'm gonna get this done. So that's to come. That's a whole nother video, but that's pretty much the fitness center. Cool, y'all, right? I'm gonna definitely give you the night view as well. I'll let you see what that looks like a little bit later on. I always try to show you the night view of my view at the hotel. Here is my sleeping area. It is a king size bed. I like the light fixtures on the side. However, this doesn't seem to be working, and I was excited for this. I don't know what it is, but I was really excited. Those pillows, they're small. They're giving memory foam a little bit, so that's gonna feel nice. The mattress is okay. I mean, I'm not having back trouble or anything like that. It's a fairly nice size room. I do like this room. It's just that I don't feel like I can walk on the ground without my shoes on, which that gauges to me if it's a decent hotel or not, you know. But yeah, I will show you the rest. I'm gonna probably go out to the pool at some point, and I'm probably gonna go to the fitness center is what I wanted to check out. Also, there is a LA Fitness or a Sporta down the street. I do have a membership there, so I go every night in Tampa on Del Mabry, but I'm thinking about going to the one over here and checking it out real quick tonight before I have me something to eat. All right, guys. Yeah, trying to get you a better view of International Drive. So with this window this big, and if you leave it open, which I'd love to leave stuff open while I'm sleeping and stuff like that, I mean, it's gonna be lit out there. That Ferris wheel over there, where's it at? Where's the Ferris wheel? Where you at? That Ferris wheel is gonna be lit. So I'm gonna like that. I think that's gonna be really cute. Everything is just gonna be lit. That big screen over there, that's gonna be still going all night, wasting electricity, but hey, this is America, we can do that. And then here's the pool. I would love to go down to this pool. However, it's okay. I'm not gonna get in the pool, but I would love to get in that right there. Is there kids in there? I can't tell who that is. But one day somebody jumped over my head into the middle of that, and I was like, you little, I wanted to call him something so bad. But anyway, yeah, this hotel is definitely given 3.5 stars. All right, so I'm at the Avanti Palms Resort and Spa. I'm on the tower side. It's on International Drive. I'm on the 8th floor. It has 14 floors. It's pretty decent. It gives me Embassy Suites vibes. The elevator is in the middle, just like Embassy Suites. Down below is a bunch of foliage and even a water fountain. I don't see a place where you can sit and just watch that, but that would be nice, I would think. But there's water coming from up there somewhere, and it's not raining, so that's not it. It must be something up there at the top that's like falling down. But I do keep seeing water. But anyway, this is a pretty nice hotel. It is freezing cold in here. You have to keep the AC on because it's humidity in the air in the hotel rooms. And if you turn the AC off, it is gonna make the floor slippery, all right, so when we first come in, let me lock my door. When we first come in, it's a little small foyer or whatever you call it, and here is the sink area. This hotel has 3.4 stars. I never look at stars. I don't know why. I just know that my friend said find a reasonable hotel. I don't know what that was supposed to mean, so I just got something under $70 a night. We're staying for 2 nights. I'm really staying here by myself because he works so much that I rarely see him. But this is the actual, what is it, vanity? I love it. I like the vanity. As a matter of fact, I might do a tutorial on pressing out my hair. Maybe not pressing because it's too humid outside. I might just blow dry it out, like blow it out. However, I do not like the bathtub. I mean, what if I wanted to take a bath? See, stuff like this, I can't stand that. Like, it should be almost perfect. That's mold, you know what I'm saying? That's like, yeah, it's a no for me in the bathtub. And then, I do not do discoloring at the bottom of the tub. I know it sounds crazy, y'all, but I can't. When I come in bathrooms need to be completely, like, clean. I get it, you put the tape over the toilet because you sanitize the toilet, but when y'all gonna paint the bathtub again? Like, make it look decent. You know, kind of like a missed opportunity. They got a safe, they got the urn and the iron board. This is Given Vacancy, the movie. And these people next door are loud as hell too, y'all. But that opens up to another door, and then bam, there's another one. It opens up to another door as well. I like this little seating area. I wish it was a little bit more comfortable chairs, because I need to spend a lot of time in this area because I'm here by myself, and I would like to do my certifications that I'm doing for a business that I'm trying to start. But yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. But I just did one certification in the bed. I just laid down and just opened up my laptop and did it there, turned the TV all the way down, and got my work on. I love how this TV is set it's not in the wall, but they put a frame around it. I know that's like a real mediocre feature, but for some reason, I like that. Like, I was like, oh, that's the aesthetic of that is really, really nice. I'm so easy to please. You got your basic microwave. You got a small refrigerator. Does it have like... There is no freezer, so there will be no freezing bottles, which I love to do. So there's that. Small mirror to look cute in. And then here's my view. This part over here is also a part of the hotel. These are different rooms. They say the rooms aren't as great. I don't know what that means and why they're not always great, but this is the pool side, I guess. I have a pool view as well. They have a few of these hotels on International Drive called Avanti. It's just different ones. One is by the convention center, I guess. But yeah, there's International Drive right there. And there's I-4 over there. It's really sunny though, guys. I'm sorry. But that's it. Pretty much this is a decent hotel. Overall, I probably would not stay there again. I'm definitely going to explore more International Drive hotels. But if I had to stay there, I absolutely could.